Namaste. My name is Sophie and from Denmark. I just completed my 500 hours teacher training course here at Vinyasa Yogashala. Last month I did the 200 hours and then this month the 300 hours. And for me it has been an incredible experience. I have been learning a lot, and both in asanas we have been pushed a lot to my highest potential, and I guess especially yoga philosophy means a lot to me, learning the whole culture and lifestyle within yoga. It has meant a lot to me. So thank you a lot, and thanks to all the teachers here. They make me feel very home and safe here. Thank you so much.